Dobro, bio sam instalirao Call of Duty Drugi svjetski rat. Teo sam da ispravam prvo dvije misije da im doće radi. Uspjelo da radi, tako da ću početi treće misije, ali ako hoćete da ponovo ponovim ove prve dvije misije, igrat ću na malo...
June 6, 1944.
Kako se zove bilo? Na malo jači difficulty, jebote.
You're just an old romantic. Alright, there's our target.
Oh, alright,
I
Mike.
gotta give those crowds some credit. Train's right on time.
Thickest train I've ever seen. Thickest armor too.
It's a Panzerzug. Those V2s have a range of 200 miles, more than enough to hit Paris. We can't let it reach the launch site.
Enemy movement up ahead.
Live was
You can
secret.
all take them out. Turner, that'll be your signal to advance. Daniels, since you and Justin were so gung-ho at Marinier, you'll provide them with fire support. Come on, alright, let's go. Everyone stay low. Suppressors on. Take out the sniper. Use your knife, Daniels.
Oh,
Well done, Daniels.
Now the officer. On you go. Shoot the officer.
Brilliant shot.
Turner, take a few men and go around the house. Daniels, stay with Crowley.
ko je Crowley? A, ti si.
Careful. Well done. Let's move.
De. O, svaka čast.
Sniper is yours, Daniels.
De je snajper. A snajper isto. Okay. Čao si me. Zašto pričam tiho?
Stay low and advance slowly.
Stop the train. Kako je da prosto stop the fucking train? How the fuck me? Ništa nisam čuo. Ah, fuck. Mogu. Fuck, ovdje nema više vremena. Mjesto da sniknem. Tamo ima i dvoje likova. Baš mi treba. Dobijem nov tamo. Oh, crap. What the fuck? Oh. Suka. Skada igram opet Far Cry 3, jebote. Kako me vidiš, aj mi reci. Sad ću te bijem. Ne. Kakav sound effect 100. Idem ti Nemce. Oko Sokolova mi steram. Ovo je bila glupa ideja, ne? A, ja sam mislio da ima dvoje vas, okej. Jeste be. Ima neki kamen. No tros, no. Ma kurac bi. Prođi ovdje, mrtav si. Čas, ne? Zašto nisi isekao, jebat? Nemoj opet da me jumpscaraš. Tako sam mislio. Headshotem, ali ne znam da li će bude jedan headshot ili neće.
Shit!
Ah, crap.
We can't let it get away!
Znao sam da neće ga ubiti.
We've been spotted!
Mrvi me.
Enemies at the post office!
Whoa! What the fuck? Hang in there, buddy! A, neće.
There's still time!
Šta? Spos.
Hang in there, buddy! Alright, everyone, get to the train! Save my life out there! I owe you! Charlie, I need more ammo, sir! We can't let it get away!
Živ zrobio.
I have a first aid kit!
Ovaj, beše, šta me puca jebote? Sine? What the? Wow.
Daniels, get the door!
Otvaraj!
Daniels, get up! Everyone in the jeep, now!
Opet vozi, ne.
That train!
Vozi!
Let's go! Hold on!
Sjećam se kad sam igrao Call of Duty i samo sam želeo da vozim kamione. Sad leželi. A dajem! Suka. Pa gdje trebam da idem?
Let's go! Hold on! Shit, look out! Stay on the
O,
path!
pa.
Trees are coming down!
Pa. Ajmo treći.
Let's go!
A on prolazi kroz sajtu nas, misli da levo.
Shit, look out! Stay on the path! Trees are coming down!
Okej,
Hang
sad.
on!
O, fuck!
Can you see it? There it is! Hit the gas!
A jebote. Idem ti.
We're gonna lose it! Right, turn around! Working on it! Get away!
I got on the way.
We're losing it!
I know the way, my friend. Do not worry, I play GTA 6, my friend. Oh crap! In GTA 6 I can fucking destroy this truck. Oh, super isto. Ovo je jebani tank mašine. Suka.
I control! Now's your chance! Take the wheel!
Vozi!
Line them up!
Atakava. Ne! Ovo priča odgovara, svi pričate, morate odgovarati u svoj broj.
We gotta get to the front of the train!
Ko je za nas?
Keep firing! Up top! Inside the train car! More coming up! MG!
Fuck.
Daniels! Get us out of here!
Ne, ti bi trku kamion.
Getting close! Grenade!
Baci!
I got it!
Baci ga!
Fuck!
O, super. O.
Ah! Thing's coming apart! Jump! Shit!
Skači! A još neke stvari da padaju, ajde još padajte, tako, još padajte. Još padajte, ajde. O, koji kurak. Sve dobro me više. Jebote će, pada, nikad prestan. Lako znam.
I'm coming, hang on! Holy shit! Did that just happen?
Can't believe we made it.
That's one for the books. I hope Styles had his camera.
Pearson might even get off our asses for 5 damn minutes.
Look out!
Follow me. I'll take you to your platoon.
I'm
Platoon?
sorry. Who the hell are you?
A friend. No hurry.
Kako bi ne znaš ko je to? To je ona Britankina.
First aid kit ready when you are! Over here!
Mogo bi 1, možda 3, možda 5. Jedan, dva, 3. Tako mislim sam... Suka, bljet! What the... Kako se promašli? Nema veze, ovdje je strani. Jebote, double barrel. O, crap. 1, 2, 3.
Grenade!
Mission accomplished. O, jebote. Tako guzići, ne.
Toss in a smoke! To the northwest! Grenade out! They're making a break! Now! Looks like they're up ahead.
Your platoon is through here.
I believe these men belong to you.
I see you've met Rousseau. She's with the Marquis, French resistance.
She killed a crowd that was gunning for us.
You could at least try to capture and interrogate them first.
That would be more trouble than they're worth.
I thought we lost you. Looks like you did some damage.
The train was supposed to be stopped, not destroyed.
Yeah, I'm sorry that things didn't go exactly as planned, but on the bright side, we've just alerted every goddamn German outpost in the whole area, so we gotta get moving. Come
Not until we finish the mission. Isn't that right, Major?
We'll need your help in securing
Don't know
intelligence
how,
from
but
the
Zus and I
wreckage.
survived wrecking that train long enough to find ourselves rendezvousing with a tough French gal. Goes by Rousseau. She's a member of the resistance, and if you can believe it, she made us paw through the wreckage for some papers. She needed them for a mission in Paris, and she had a job for us too.
By blowing up that train, we bought Paris more time. Now the resistance is going to use the papers we secured to infiltrate a Nazi stronghold in the city. Sign me up.
Dobro, snimat ću samo još Liberation, pa ću onda da nastavim sve ostalo.
August 1944. This is it. We're gonna liberate Paris. The French 2nd Armored Division and the U.S. 4th Infantry arrive at dawn. That means we move tonight.
It's been a week since we took out that train. Our platoon's in the middle of Paris, working with the resistance. Rousseau and Crowley have a plan to sabotage the occupation, and that means striking at its heart.
Using the documents we obtained from the train, Rousseau and I will pose as Nazi officers to infiltrate the garrison.
This way, gentlemen. The garrison is run by SS and Polizeiführer Heinrich. And he couldn't find me. Came for my parents. And my husband. And finally, his son. Tonight, everything we've lost, everything we've fought for, will mean something. Tonight, we take back our city.
The garrison,
Isn't this well?
our contact there will supply us with explosives. And when we blow the gates, that'll be your signal to approach.
We're counting on you.
All right, boys. Let's get ready.
These crowds ain't gonna give up easy. I figure we can survive Pearson, we can survive anything.
I fought alongside him at Kasserine. We should all be so brave.
It won't be long now, mes amis. But first, we enter the wolves' den. See you there.
One more checkpoint.
Prokleti Nemci. Ne,
Nazi thugs.
nemoj to da radiš. Nemoj be na babu be. Ciganu jedan, šta na babu? What the?
If you're stopped, the cover story must be ironclad. Let's go over it again. You are Gerda Schneider, a military attaché. You were sent by Herr Spiegel and Foreign Intelligence to arrange for Heinrich's safe
Zašto sam...
evacuation.
Okej, to je sve dobro, to je sve dobro. A zašto sam ja žena? Ja sam Gerda Schneider, Hamburg, Germany, Franz Spiegel. Pipapa Luka, niks krokag, 24 January 1911. Beruf. Krankenstreff Frankenstein? Nem pojma. Širkusti. Gerhoskvoskr. Dobro, to.
This is our one chance. Recruiting our inside man came at a terrible price. You're to find him and exchange your briefcase with his. Hopefully, he's obtained the explosives we need to blow the gates.
You worry too much, Major.
That's my job.
I'll meet you in front of the garrison when the operation is complete.
Who sent you?
Herr Spiegel.
Good. Whatever happens, once you make the trade, you must maintain possession of the briefcase at all times.
I've come this far. I'll be damn sure I'm going to finish it.
Liberacija. Čekaj, da li mogu da... Možda mogu im to telo, ću imaju velike sise. Dobro, ja sam Gerda Scheinder, Hamburg, Franz Spiegel. Franz Spiegel i Gerda Scheinder, to je to. Hamburg, Germany. Dobro, ajde. To je to. Hey, what's up, man? How do you do?
Bitte sehr.
Ich habe Sie hier noch nie gesehen. Was ist der Grund Ihres Besuchs?
Ich habe Reisedokumente für Polizeiführer Heinrich.
Ich wurde darüber nicht informiert. Aber Ihre Papiere scheinen in Ordnung zu sein. Sie können weiter, Fräulein Schneid.
Aha, vidiš, pametan sam. Sad sam zapamtio. Tako se svećim pamet. Samo da provjerimo opet. Dobro, Gerda Scheinder, Franz Spiegel, Hamburg, Germany. Dobro, ajde. What's up, man?
Now remember, your contact's name is Fisher. He's wearing a grey officer's uniform. Tell me the passphrase.
Berlin.
Good luck.
Bože, kako trebam stvari da zapamtim. Super, sad kada opet igram Assassin's Creed Unity. Gdje je sad ovaj ofis? Moram sad puta vidim ovo novo zapamtim. Dobro, Gerda Scheinder, Franz Spiegel, šta je to teško? Izrođena sam u Hamburgu, izgleda. Sisa. Čekaj, ovdje mogu dođu, da ne? Gdje si? Ne. Znači nosi sivu uniformu i zove se nešto na V. Neki Valentord. Ne, ti
Das Treppenhaus ist nur für autorisiertes Personal. Bleiben Sie stehen und zeigen Sie Ihre Papiere.
Šta je bilo?
Sollte eigentlich alles in Ordnung sein.
Sie müssen hier neu sein. Dieses Treppenhaus ist nur für Offiziere. Zu wem wollen Sie?
Polizeiführer Heinrich. Der Wachmann in der Empfangshalle meinte, ich soll diese Treppen nehmen.
Herr Heinrich muss befohlen haben, die Haupttreppe zu schließen. Gehen Sie.
No, moram se pogodio. Dobro, šta god pogodio sam, boli me dupe. Bilo je, znam da je nešto bilo na V, sad mi daj neku na H. Ne mogu da otvorim. Mislim da bi ovo bila najgrava misija ikad. Oj bože, treba malo sve da zapamtim. Čekaj, moram opet da vidim. Zero pozitivno. Dobro. Evo. Super restrikt valjda piše, ne znam. Mislim, razlog zašto sam smanjio grafiku je zato što ne želim da igram na potatu. Ej, ti. Oberist.
Entschuldigen Sie bitte die Störung, mein Herr.
Wie kann ich Ihnen helfen?
What the Fischer? Šta je Fischer?
Man sagte mir, ich könnte hier Oberst Fischer finden.
Sie haben ihn gefunden. Ich bin Oberst Fischer.
Was kann ich für Sie tun?
Oh, ciao. Code Freeze.
Haben Sie die Werke Valenz gelesen?
Ja, das Herbstlied mag ich
Okay, ja, verlangen, but...
Es ist auch einer meiner Lieblingsgedichte.
Bitte hier entlang, Fräulein.
Oh, Fräulein, hohoho. Kako sam ja fantuz. Berlin doma ska Tokio, hohoho. Nećeš da me rejpuješ za me. Dobro.
Must be brief.
Are you ready to make the exchange?
No, you're early. And I'm late for a meeting. I'll have the explosives in a case matching yours. We'll have to make the swap in the war room.
Lead the way.
No, they're watching me. Use your cover to get into Heinrich's office on the 3rd floor. From there you can cut across to the north wing and avoid the check. We shouldn't be seen together. Go now and I'll meet you in the war room.
Ok, treći sprat neki Harry's office. A, ne moram to zapamtiti, hvalim te Bože. Za svaki slučaj. Ok, Franz Spiegel, Porvis, Hrnski, Hamburg, Germany, Gerda, Scheinder, Travel Documents. So, weiter. Kosti.
Guten Abend. Kann ich Ihnen behilflich sein, Fräulein?
Ja, ich habe Reisedokumente für Herrn Heinrich. Ist er da?
Nein, er ist momentan in einer wichtigen Besprechung. Sie können gerne in seinem Büro warten, er kommt gleich zurück.
Hvala ti na ničemu, sisveno. Šta je ovo? Fuck, Bože, ne. Ok. I have conducted an investigation on the missing explosives from Armory number 5 and have narrowed our focus to 2 suspects, Oberskal Fischer and Gerfig Gerberg. Approach Gerber first. He is new here and should be easy to question. We must be more careful with Fischer, for if we falsely accuse him, it could mean trouble for us. Thank you for the direction. STSS and for him Herzog. Ne pojmu. Dobro, šta god.
Ich habe Sie noch nie gesehen.
O, čao, što maj?
Darf ich
A če ti
fragen, was
skelđiš?
Sie an meinem Fenster zu suchen haben?
Pa da otvori malo lano bi, znaš?
Verzeihung, Herr Kommandant. Ich wollte gerade nur etwas frische Luft schnappen.
Da, to se tako to.
Ich bin Gerda Schneider. Ich komme aus Berlin, um Ihnen Ihre Reisepapiere zu bringen.
Fräulein Schneider?
Mhm. Šta?
Ich habe auf Ihren Auslandsstudium gehört. Es war in Cambridge?
Ja, das ist richtig. Wenn es Ihnen jetzt recht ist, kann ich Ihnen Ihre Reisepapiere zeigen.
Da kommen wir.
Šta si sipao tu? Šta si tu sipao? Znam da si nešto sipao, si svoj, ne?
Danken wir Sie noch nicht. Fräulein Schneider. Now, if you will indulge me, perhaps we can converse in English. As you know, I'm sure practice makes perfect.
Da, perfektan na English imaš, kaš kao ja.
Nehmen Sie das Blatt. Have a seat.
Znam da si nešto sipao piće, sisao je na. Ne vjerujem.
So, Herr Gruber sent you to arrange for my departure. I am.
Zašto si se tako seksi namestio? Šta reče? Ne. Idem sa Gruber.
Herr Gruber wanted you back in Berlin.
Did he, Fräulein Schneider?
Da, siguran sam 100%.
I thought it was Herr Spiegel that sent you. Oh well. The only constant is change. All we can do is adapt. You look so serious. Let us drink.
Znam da si nešto sipao tu piće.
My return to the fatherland. The French deserve each other.
Ja te ne verujem, znam da si nešto sipao.
But my God, I will miss the cuisine. Take the ortolan. That tiny, delicate songbird. Its eyes poked out so that it can gorge. And then it's drowned in cognac. It's ingenious. I'm not sure what I will miss more. Savoring the sweet flesh or watching it thrash to death.
Ja mislim da nam prvo bila bolja ideja.
But there is one thing of which I am certain.
Čega?
Watching your son flail as he drowned under my boot gave me the greatest pleasure of all.
O, jebote. Tako je, umre pička je to.
This isn't for my comrades. This is for my son.
Pay for yourself, bitch.
It's for me. Vive la résistance.
Šta reče? Ma šta me prime svrže na Windows, ne znam da ovo može vidjeti. Tako je, mrše da idem te ustati. Čekajte sekund, sad ću se vratiti. Ok, nešto sam morao da rešim s Windows. Idemo. Kako je ovo, sve će se smooth jebote. Dok recordem, by the way. O, cigare mrzim. Nadam se da ne možete da vidite jedno 3 litra krvi na mojim leđima, mojim torso i mojim svima. Hello, Obertsfischer. Čekajte, nisi ti onaj undercover?
Die gewünschten Berichte aus Berlin sind gerade gekommen.
Mislim da si.
Ich werde sie mir schnellstmöglich ansehen.
Mislim da si.
In Ordnung.
Ja se sve čujem kako ne možete da vidite.
Was hat das zu bedeuten? Es fällt Sprengstoff aus dem Munitionslager. 7 und zuletzt in der Nähe gesehen.
Radite vi šta će se slobodno, boli mi dupe.
Egal. Zeigen Sie alle Ihre Papiere dort.
Kako god kažete ljudi, aj vidimo se. Pušti cigare, puši kurac, hehe. Ajde brže! Ne mogu da skojim. Šta hoću?
Geben Sie mir sofort Ihre Papiere.
Si svega be.
Ist das Blut an Ihrem Ärmel?
Ich fürchte, das ist Tinte. Heute ist einer dieser Tage.
Legen Sie Ihre Aktentasche zur Inspektion auf den Tisch.
Izgleda ne.
Die Tasche wurde unten überprüft.
Fräulein, Ihre Tasche! Sofort!
Fante bože, pičko jedna. Ko si ti, krali, ja? Svaka čast krali. Tako je, jebim u materu, jebim u materu. Moram tu.
You never disappoint.
We've been compromised. The whole bloody place is on alert.
They captured our contact.
Tell me you made the switch.
Yes, I have the explosives.
Then we're staying on mission. We'll rendezvous in the courtyard after you plant the charges.
Suka.
Have to be quiet.
Wow, lugera. Ne mogu ništa da vidim jebote. Kako ja da siđem? Kroz da ne može. Nema ništa da čuš, molim te. Kakve nokte imam jebote, imam kanđe, kakve nokte. Dobro, treba da idu svaki slučaj. Čekaj, o za objektiv. Bitch! Pa, kako se me... Otvaraj! Okej, ništa. Isto jedno.
You can use a hand. We need to get to the north gate and plant the charge.
Kako pučka ima. Kako da...
Come on, Russo. We need to get to the gate.
Čekaj sekund jebate.
Thank you. I'm going to join your friend.
A jebate kuć. Zašto ovaj kidam ovdje gore? Dole idi jebate. Jebate, samo idem gore, znači dole.
Just one more.
Nice one.
Wow! I'm not gonna talk about it. Okay, sorry. Otvaraj.
Too risky.
What? Mhm. Bitch.
Thank you. I'll be here if you run into trouble.
Da nešto mi je predvodio, što mi govorio šta da radim, šta da ne radim. Ćao sine. Ajde!
Just one more.
Oh, come on, man. Kako be... Ti si se spasio za me. Uzmite pušku i di pri. Okej. Be... Wow! Kako mi se džele logir?
Too far away.
Osne, šta je ovo? Dođo. Sad igram Far Cry 3, bitch. Nema ovdje nikog. Gdje je ovaj pedar, samo pobijim. Šta je ovo? Ovaj pedar bi me ovdje video, ali ne može.
Too exposed.
Sutra to je exposed. Neka sad vidim da se ovo nalazi. 93 metra.
Too exposed.
Tako, kreni se.
Vor Betreten des Gebäudes werden alle Papiere überprüft. Jawohl, ich informiere umgehend die Sicherheit.
Kako se tačno tu? Pazite se, ja sam parkour žena.
Too risky.
Kako me ne vidim uopšte? Čak ne vidim ga, ne. fuck.
Let's head to the south gate and grab the last chance.
Ništa ne vidim. Jebem ti svetlo. A ti si. Neko gasi ovo svetlo, uništava mi je FPS. Okej, konačno.
Something's wrong. We should go now.
Now hold your fire till they blow the gates. Get ready.
Ne. Ovo Tommy gun. Sinovi. Sviđa mi se ova baba kako puca sada. Glej. Ok, idemo mi ovdje tačno. Koji roll boa. Daj mi medkit.
Let's go, come on!
Oh fuck.
Ammo when you're ready, Private.
Daj malo ammo.
Got your covers, Private.
Pa bi izgrabio. Šta putica gore, gledaj. Šta me vidiš, mene vidiš. O, ma daj u kada vidiš. O fuck, ovo će eksplodirati, Daj medkit. Daj medkit.
I need that aid kit.
Daj medkit.
Gonna be alright.
Wow! Look at the light! Ne! Da, baš kad se trebamo pomoći. Evo sad ćemo baciti na granat,
Grenade!
Ne sam pa na dole.
Gonna be alright. Wasn't fast enough. Go! Stick to cover. Tossing a smoke grenade! Enemy located! Shoot! kit! Here! Keep low! Grenade out!
Don't let him pin you down!
We have to meet with Crowley and set up defensive positions. The Germans will fight like hell to hold the garrison.
Enemy spotted!
Crowley!
The garrison's almost clear.
It's not over yet.
The Germans will mount a counterattack soon. We need to set up our defenses. Follow me.
Ground position spotted!
Sie werden bald angreifen.
Jerry's still inside. We have to take him out.
Verteidigungsposition befestigen.
Yeah, take this. Rousseau, get a smoke in there. Clear the lobby and then sweep the building. Enemy reinforcements are coming. All right, do it.
Ich kann nicht sehen!
Area clear! Daniel, Sussman, head upstairs and secure the second floor. We'll clear out the rest down here. First aid kit's ready! Send it this way! Gotta set up defenses. Germans will be here soon. We'll see them coming from here. If they get close, use the Molotovs. The whole city's fighting back. We're almost there. They're throwing smoke down the street. Here they come. Daniels, aim for the right. Everyone else, wait till they're in range. Nice shot. MGs, open fire. Keep them off that bridge. Flamethrower in front. Snipers from the building across the Seine. They're getting too close. Enemies in front using Molotov. Tossing out a grenade! Lobbing a grenade! Half-track's coming across that far bridge. Grenade out! Grenade! Take out that half-track turret.
way!
Fire in! We gotta get out of here! Come on, Daniel! Incoming half-track! Daniel, grab that handle! Back and take out that half-track! We did it, Daniels. Let's get back to the others. I can see Crowley and Pearson up ahead. Vous y croyez-vous? Liberté! On a repris la ville! Souvenez-vous de ce jour!
Outstanding work, boys. Outstanding.
We did it. The ghost forces are entering the city.
Looks like we might get that champagne and caviar after all.
Hey, Daniels, you still think there's a young gal looking for a handsome GI?
Sorry, buddy. That was just to boost your morale.
Now he tells me.
City of Lights. Finally. Something to celebrate. Hey, Crowley.
There's no turning back. France has reclaimed Paris.
This ain't exactly over yet. The war's not done.
Now come on, Pearson, let them have this.
That's what Turner's for.
Taking the garrison and helping to liberate Paris is something I'll never forget. Hell, I think I might have seen Pearson smile. We're gonna ride this momentum all the way to the Rhine.